Hi students, today I am going to discuss about a difference of two vectors. Okay students, so let's see difference of two vectors. Okay, for any two vectors, for any two vectors, vector A and vector B, we define difference of A and B. Here will be vector A minus vector B equal to we can write it vector A plus minus vector B. Okay students, now here let OA, vector OA equal to vector A and vector OB equal to vector B. Okay students, so here clearly the vector BO will be minus B. So here clearly vector BO equal to minus B vector. Okay, now from here here will be vector A minus vector B equal to vector A plus minus vector B. Okay, so here will be vector A, we can write vector A is equal to vector OA vector plus vector minus B is equal to BO vector. Okay, since here addition of two vector is commutative, so here we can write it BO vector plus OA vector. Okay, so here BO vector plus OA vector is equal to what? So for this for the resultant of this addition of this two vector, let's clear by the help of this diagram. Okay students, so here let this is vector OA is equal to vector A, and this is vector OB is equal to vector B. Okay students, so here BO from BO is equal to minus B, so here from BO plus OA equal to vector BA, so BA is equal to vector A minus vector B. So clearly students, by the help of this diagram, here will be BO plus vector OA equal to vector BA. Okay students, so here clearly here will be vector OA is equal to this A is equal to vector OA minus this vector B is equal to here will be vector OB. Okay, is equal to BA, vector BA. Okay, so here vector BA is equal to vector OA minus OB. So here we can say that vector BA is equal to the position vector of A minus the position vector of B here. So here we can write it vector BA is equal to, so here will be vector BA is equal to position vector of A minus position vector of B. Okay, students. Similarly, the vector AB equal to vector OB minus OA. Okay, students. So here will be the vector AB is equal to OB minus OA. So here OB is equal to the position vector of B minus position vector of A. Okay, students. So here we can write the vector AB is equal to position vector of B, minus position vector of A. Position vector of A. Okay, so here students, this vector BA and vector AB is a very important fact. For further we will use it for solving the question. Okay, so watch this video carefully. Thank you so much.